What's up, guys? It is like 9 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, the 25th, I think. And I don't know what the day has in store for me today, but right now we're making a video, obviously, and I'm gonna go hop in the shower and we'll see where it goes from there. So I'll check in a bit. So I just finished my shower and now I'm all nice and clean. It's great, and I got dressed. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and do mowing the lawn and putting away dishes. Oh my gosh, I can't think today. And then we're probably going to go to lunch with my parents, and I'm not gonna film any of that, so I'll check in a bit. The most recent update, I finished chores and things, and now I'm probably going to go to lunch with my family, but I might take a separate car, I don't know yet. And then we're gonna go ride. I don't know with who or anything, but we're gonna get some riding in. And we just loaded up our bag with the filming equipment, and yeah, should be a good day. So check in a bit. So I just loaded up the bike and my bag and stuff. Now I'm getting a quick thing to drink. Just go with this. It's basically my breakfast, and I'm gonna go eat lunch in like 5 minutes, so yeah. I will check in again in a bit. What's up, guys? So I just finished lunch with the family. It's 1 o'clock, and we're gonna go ride some bikes and scooter for a little, because so far I have nobody who's gonna come ride with me, so it's gonna be solo session, which means I'm probably not gonna get many clips, but you know, we'll see what happens. And I'll check in a bit at the Parker skate park. So yeah. So we just rolled up the Parker skate park, and I'm not surprised there's not many people here. Well, there's a lot of people here, but there's not many bikers, so I'm solo session for a little bit, see if I can get some clips in, and I'll check in a bit. Hopefully there'll be some riding. So, alright guys, so the most recent update right now, I'm going to meet up with my friend, and I'm not going to disclose who or anything, and I'm not going to film it for their sake, so they don't have to be forced on the camera. But currently what we're doing is we're looking for where she works, because I don't know Parker that well. I know where she works, I just don't know where it is. So that's where we're at right now. The session at Parker was pretty lame, I should say. Didn't get much done. And yeah, so that's where we're at right now. We'll check in a bit, hopefully at another skate park, maybe back at Parker, and with some riding going on. So, peace. So most recent update, just hung out with my friend for a little bit, and there's a glare here. Anyway, so just hung out with her for a little bit. It's 3:31, and we are off to DTC area to go ride a different skate park that was in my last video with Mason, only I don't think Mason's going to be there this time. So we'll see what happens, and I'll check in when we get there. So peace. We just rolled up here at the Greenwood Village skate park. You can tell going across the bridge. I don't think anyone's going to really be here. Like, there's probably going to be a couple skaters and all that, but I don't know about how the biker scenario is going to be. and you know, we'll find out. Hopefully gonna get some clips in. So yeah, keep you updated. So we're heading back down to my car with that guy, and I'm getting my shin pads because shinners suck, and I shin myself doing a tail whip, and I'll actually get that line filmed after I get my shin pads on, so you'll see that next, I guess. So yeah. we got the shin pads on. Let's see if I can get over this bridge and not eat shit. But we got the shin pads on, and now we're heading back up to the skate park, and we're gonna get that line. It'll be sick. Overclicked.
You do it, huh? So, is that what you just said? Do it.
You can't do it.
Yo, we out here.
Oh God, stop sending me pictures of your fucking ceiling.
Sun's kind of lost in that.
Can you replay it?
Alright, so update. I sent a 180 bar that turned into basically a truck, and now I'm gonna get the truck. I don't care how many tries it takes. I'm gonna get it. That's gonna be the end of the video.
It's all on clip, so haven't stopped.
I don't know.
Booyah, you got that shit.
It's getting cleaner and cleaner. So that concludes the session at the Greenwood Village Skate Park. I'm pretty tired, but I think my plan now is gonna go hit the Parker Skate Park and see how that goes. And Alright guys, so we just rolled up at the Parker Skate Park. It's back there. Parked in the squad row right now. Nobody else is here. Surprise, surprise. But we're gonna go get some riding in. It is 6:17. Gonna get a little bit of riding and then go get some food probably because I'm starting to get hungry. And yeah, that's the plan as of right now. So see you in a bit. So entering the skate park. That boy back there. Actually, I just realized I don't know your name.
Robert.
That's Robert. Back there. He was in the previous vlog for like a clip or two, I think. Maybe. I'm not sure.
I have been.
But yeah. And so time to get some riding in. So it's too sunny where the sun is to actually get decent riding in. So I'm gonna head down to Dairy Queen and get some lunch or dinner. So yeah, that's the plan. See you up there. We out here at Dairy Queen. It's behind me there. And I got a Blizzard, some potato skins, and a drink. And that's gonna last me until I get home and have my 2 pieces of pizza. So yeah, after this, head back to the park and get some more riding in. And hopefully actually get some clips this time. So yeah, see you in a bit.
That's super close.
Alright, what's your name?
Jimmy?
Or what are you gonna do?
Not fault.
You gonna send the 180?
Out of what? A wave?
Yeah. Send it out the wave. Do it for the blog.
Okay.
What do you want me to do out?
Bry.
I can't press for
You
it.
can't? Well,
Kickless.
okay. Showed up. What you gonna do?
Yeah.
Tell it.
Yeah, look at that fat train.
What's up?
Hi!
What's up, Gavin?
Hi!
Where's Gavin? This is possibly the only time he'll be in a vlog unless I head up to Keystone to go riding.
Yeah, you
Good.
definitely should. The park's out there. It's so much fucking better.
They're so far away though. Alright, do something off this.
Off what?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on. Board.
Oh shit.
Yo. There's the session for today. I'm peacing out. I got school and football practice tomorrow. And I've still got to go home, shower, edit this, and begin the uploading process. So, yeah. I'm peacing out for the evening. And, you know, I'm just going to end it here actually. So, leave a like if you enjoyed watching. It'll help me out a lot. Subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, obviously. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.